Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video with a subscription box, and this time it is my November BOXYCHARM box. So this is the second BOXYCHARM that I have received. I am partnering up with BOXYCHARM on a long-term basis, so I will be able to bring these videos to you hopefully every month. So I'm really excited to unbox this one, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do something a bit different, and I'm going to take the products that are inside of this box and try to put together a look with them. That way I can let you guys know what I think of the products in the box and how they are working for me. I already put on foundation and concealer because I don't expect there to be a foundation or concealer in these boxes, because I don't think they would include a foundation or concealer when, you know, everybody will have a different shade, and that's just a really tedious job. But anyway, so I have my foundation and concealer on, and I am just going to unbox this, show you guys what is inside the box, and then put together a look. So before even opening up this box, I do know that the theme for this month is Harvest. I saw it on their Instagram today actually. So I'm expecting to see some like warm tones of whatever products are in here. I'm expecting to see maybe like a warm tone eyeshadow palette, because I feel like that would be the most logical thing to you know, kind of cater towards the harvest season. But in any case, we are going to find out. So this is what it looks like opened up. So right off the bat, we have a 25% off site-wide code for Natasha Denona. So that is cool to have in there. We also have the card that says that this month's theme is Harvest, and then on the back of the card it has all the products and what they are worth, which I will let you guys know what they're worth as we go. And then we have the products. So without further ado, let's get down to business. So first things first is this box that says Natasha Denona on the back. So let's see. And here is the eyeshadow palette that I figured would be in here. So it is the Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. It's got some super pretty colors. I love kind of like warm, neutral kind of shades like this. There are some mattes there, and then there is this shimmer shade on the end. I have to be honest, I've never tried Natasha Denona products before, so I'm really excited to try this out. And it says on the card here, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And it is worth $48, and it is actually a BOXYCHARM exclusive, so I think, you know, the theme here is that BOXYCHARM and Natasha Denona teamed up to create this palette. So these are shades from some of her other palettes that she put into one for this really pretty warm tone color story here. So I'll definitely be using this for the look that I'm going to put together. So next we have the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It says to deep cleanse and soothe. So on this card here it says cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated, and is worth $28. So again, Peach and Lily is a brand that I haven't tried yet, so I'm excited to try this out. And I've been so obsessed with skincare lately because the change of the seasons always messes with my skin, and I tend to break out with the change in the weather, so I'm really trying to prevent that this year. So this is really exciting to try out. It is 100% worry-free, it says. It is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. I have been focusing a lot on some clean beauty. Not that my entire, well, I will admit that not my entire routine, skincare or makeup is clean beauty, but I, you know, think that it is awesome that companies do this, so I have been trying a lot more clean beauty products lately. So this will definitely be tried out tonight. So next we have the, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm gonna try this out. Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask and 8 Super Orange Essence. So it says here, formulated with 8 Super Orange Essence, this gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates and exfoliates, leaving skin supple and radiant. So I've never heard of this brand, but I love a good face mask. And the card here says Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. A 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes and is worth $45. So I can definitely see how this goes along with the harvest theme, considering there is pumpkin in this. It says there's pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. So this sounds like it is another brand that maybe, I don't want to say it's clean beauty and it not be, so I'm not going to go down that road. But anyway, it seems like it has ingredients that are all really good for your skin, so I'm excited to try this out. And next we have the Pero Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. So here it is here. You see that there. And it says here on the card, Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade and is worth $15. So if you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I am forever looking for an eyeshadow primer. I'm always just using concealer. So having a new one to try out is amazing. I'm excited to try this out, and I will definitely be trying this out with the eyeshadow palette when I put together a little look. And lastly, we have the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. So I'm probably most excited about this because Milk Makeup is another brand that I've never tried before, but I have been dying to try. Like every time I go into Sephora, I just want to buy things, but I try to, you know, be good and not just blow all my money. So this is super exciting for me, especially because I need a new mascara. I'm running out of the ones that I'm using. And it says here, Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, and is worth $24. So to be honest, I have never tried a makeup with cannabis seed oil. I have tried some CBD like skincare. I don't even know if that's the same. Is cannabis seed oil and CBD the same thing? I couldn't tell you. But in any case, I'm excited to try this out. To be honest with you, I'm not the biggest fan of waterproof mascara because it's just harsh to get off sometimes. But I'm always willing to try anything, so especially since it's Milk Makeup and I've been dying to try a Milk Makeup product. So I will be trying this out as well, and I will make sure that if it ends up being a royal pain to take off, that I let you guys know. So those were the 5 products included in this month's box. The box value comes out to $160, which if you are paying $25 for the box, I think that is totally worth it. This is the basic box, so yes, you will only be paying $25 for it, and it's a monthly subscription. In my previous video about unboxing my first BOXYCHARM box, I go through all the different tiers that BOXYCHARMs offer and the prices and the perks of each. So if you want to learn more about that, you can either check out that video or check out the blog post that goes along with it. Now I'm going to try and put together a look with the Natasha Denona palette. I will use the eyeshadow primer and the Milk Makeup mascara. Obviously, I'm not going to be using the 2 skincare products in this video, but I'm really excited to try these out this week. So I will definitely let you guys know what I think of these as I try them. So like I said, foundation and concealer already done, so I'm going to first try the eyeshadow primer. It comes out kind of like a concealer shade a little bit. I know some of them are clear, some are white, but this is more of like a concealer shade. So this eyeshadow primer is in fact quite sticky, which I, would assume is good for the eyeshadow purposes. I did make a mess of it. It is like all over my eyelashes here, but that is totally user error and the fact that I'm just a royal mess. So next I'm going to use the Natasha Denona palette, and first I'm going to use the shade Shine, which is this one all the way to the end here. This one all the way to the end here, which is like a very light shade just as a base. So obviously you can't really tell the difference because it was just a very like neutral base shade, so it kind of just blended in with the eyeshadow primer. But I will say that these shades are very creamy. I really like that one a lot. So next I am going to use the shade, because I'm going for a kind of like a lighter look, I'm going to use the shade Jasper, which is this one right here. And next for the insides, I'm going to use this shade on the end here called Aya, or Aya, it's A-Y-A, and it is a nice like shimmery shade. So far I really liked the two matte shades, so hopefully I like the shimmery shade as well. So I gotta admit, for a moment there I was a bit concerned because it wasn't looking how I wanted to, but you just gotta trust the process. And after a little blending out, I do think that it looks a lot better. I think that the shimmery shade was actually a bit creamier than the matte shades. The matte shades did have a little bit of fallout, but the creamy shade didn't. But the fallout from the matte shades wasn't anything serious at all. So far I really like this palette. Like, it's super simple and it just has such nice shades that you can really just use for any kind of look. So lastly, I'm just going to use more of the shade Jasper, which again was this one right here, and this is the one that I used for the outsides of my eye, and I'm just going to use it to go underneath my waterline just a tiny bit. So next I'm just going to use my eyeliner that I use every day, since the box didn't come with an eyeliner, so I'll just be using this, and then I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Mascara. So after adding eyeliner and a bit of blush, because I was looking super pale in this camera screen here, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara that I got in the box. So here is the packaging here, if you can see it. Let me just say that this feels like some heavy duty mascara. Like, this feels like industrial strength packaging. Like, it's actually like really heavy. So I am excited to see the quality of it, considering that the quality of the packaging is so intense. So there's the mascara. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. This eye kind of got a little jacked up, but that is because I made a mess of the eyeshadow primer and it's like sticking to my lashes, so the mascara it just looks a little bit clumpy. But in any case, I actually am very impressed with it. I think that this is awesome. I'm really excited that this even came in the box. And like I said, I still have two skincare products that obviously I'm not using in this video because it is a makeup video, but I will be trying these out this week, and I will let you guys know what I think of them as I try them out. So again, all these products came from my BOXYCHARM box for the month of November, which the theme was harvest, and I can totally see why the theme was harvest, and I think it all came together really well. I am super impressed with the quality of the products and the brand names that are in these boxes, especially if you're only paying $25 for a box. Again, like, some of these products, or mostly all these products, are worth over $25 for just one product. So the whole box, like I said, was $160 worth, and I'm just so pleased. I'm so excited to be working with them on a long-term basis, and I can't wait to bring you more of these boxes. So if you have any questions about this box, just please leave a comment or reach out and let me know, and I would be happy to answer any of the questions that you have, or if I don't know the answer, I will reach out to BOXYCHARM and get you the answer that you are looking for. So if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at BreeCutter. And until next time, see you guys.